So there's a lot of ways on how to use the Smith machine on Anytime Fitness. Fortunately, their website has a full guide on how to use this machine. So I will help you access it. So first, launch your web browser and go to anytimefitness.com. Now on their homepage, on the top navigation bar, you will see the blog button. Click on it, scroll down, and then use the search and search for Smith machine. Press enter, and then on the first link, you will see the link for how to use the Smith machine to amp up 4 common exercises. Click on it, and then here is the full article guide. So you can read on what is a Smith machine, its features, and its types, and then what are the muscles being biased when working out. And scroll down to see the benefits, the disadvantages, how to use the machine safely. Scroll down more, and then you will find the 4 types of exercises to try on the Smith machine. First, we have the wide leg sumo squat. The setup is here, and the how-tos. Make sure to read and follow it if you want to perform this workout. For the second one, we have some incline bench press rows. Also, there's an image, a GIF on how to do it. Third, hip thrusts. Fourth, inverted row. So make sure to read this guide to maximize your workout on a Smith machine.